Alright guys, Beef back again for one last video for this morning. I got an hour before I have to leave for work. So I'm going to give you this video real quick. Blasphemous playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2. He says he would totally have sex with this robot bird. So yeah, this is my last video for this morning. I'll probably see if I can put some new ones up tonight. Also, a little heads up for everybody that subscribed to me, and I did not subscribe to you yet. I just did this morning, so you're welcome. If you like the video, comment, subscribe, like. Would greatly appreciate it. I also did comment on your guys' comments from the last couple videos that I had. And I do stream on you now, as most of you probably already know. I do appreciate all you guys' love on there, and I'm starting to get love on YouTube now. So if you guys want, you can share my videos, share my channel, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, like my videos, what have you. But let's get into this video and let's have at it. You already knocked you out. He doesn't know what to do.
I don't know how long it's gonna take for my camera to fucking adjust, but you know, it be on that bullshit. So, what's up, guys? Go Blasphemous HD, man. You know, I said I wasn't gonna play this shit no more, man. But after looking at all the comments and all the freaking, all the, you know, like all the love y'all threw me for me playing this shit finally, I was like, oh, you fucking okay. The fuck is that? You know, for a fucking second, I forgot how scary this fucking game is, man. I'm sitting there all calm and collected and shit like I'm not playing this shit right now. Fuck! This is the last time. This is it. For real. Never again. Okay? This is it. Cause I be trying, sometimes I be having the moments. You ever trick yourself into thinking that you about that life? And then like when you're thrust into this situation, you quickly are brought to the very grim reality that you're not. For a second there, I was like hella brave and shit. I'm sitting like, man, this shit ain't even scary, dog. Like, what was I scared of, homie? And then you instantly remember, what the fuck is that sound, man? Damn it, fucking this background track shit, shut the fuck up! Damn it, no, Foxy! Oh! Shit! Damn it, no! Oh, we're missing a rabbit. Oh, there he is. He's playing the guitar. We're fine. He's fine. Oh, what are we doing? We are legitimately fucking up right now. She is such a bad bitch, though. I will fuck the shit out of that robot, man. I'm not even...
Pause, maybe.
Man, that's not even... Is that bad? That's horrible, man. Man, I'll stick my dick in that robot right there, man. That's a good place to put it. Oh, shit, man. I don't... Okay, come on. Just no jump scare, man. What the hell? Hey! Hey! What the fuck is that? Hey! Don't fucking talk to me, bitch! What? Hey! That's just not funny, man! Fucking rabbit!
Need the sauce.
Not this guy! Oh, this is gonna be a short-ass Can I please? Can this not happen? Please. I'm an animatronic guy.
Oh, the game glitched.
Man, fuck around and made me scare my cats, man. Oh, I scared the shit out of my cats. Oh, this ain't funny, man. Okay, you know what? God damn it, man. Oh, shit. God damn it. Man, y'all ain't shit for making me do this, man. I swear to God, with all the likes and the comments and shit, man, you're basically forcing me to do this. And it's not right. My cats don't deserve this. I'm sorry, cats. That's because I turn around and my cat's looking at me like, really, nigga? Really, nigga? My cat's look hella depressed right now, man. That's super not, man. Oh, fuck this game and everything it loves, man. Can't we just get like, the fuck is that? What the fuck is a win? Why does it sound like it was win? Hey, bitch be cool. Bitch be cool. That's only the fucking demo. Come on, baby. Can I have the third night? Don't you want to give me the third night? It's only the demo. Can't you go easy on your boy BHD? You know I've showed this game mad love kind of sometimes. Oh, I wonder what that balloon boy bastard does. Actually, I don't want to know now. Foxy ain't shit though, man. Foxy be on that bullshit. Oh, damn. This game gonna fuck around and give me nightmares, man. Man, I remember lightweight dreaming about this shit last night when I went to sleep. Yeah, just be easy on me, man. Just like the first night. Yeah, I fucks with this. I need to start uploading Smash Brothers or some shit. That's what I'ma do. What's that? Hello, what? Hello? Hey! Where did the balloon boy go? Hey, I'll fuck you up, man. I will shoot a bitch. Fucking hello me, motherfucker. Where's the blonde bitch? Damn it.
Oh.
Blonde bitch. Damn it. It's not funny. Shit. Man, what am I playing this shit for, man? I need to just shut the fuck up. You know what? Happy Wheels. I'm not even bullshitting. Watch me upload Happy Wheels tomorrow. Y'all think I'm bullshitting. Y'all really think I'm bullshitting right now. Watch me upload Happy Wheels tomorrow. You know what? That's it. Ventilation system? Hey! You know what? I'm done. I can't do this. I'm done. I can't do this. No! What the fuck? I'm not watching shit, man. Hey, quit bullshitting with me, man. Damn it, I need to take off headphones. Why am I wearing headphones? Oh, fuck. You know what? I'm done. I'm sorry. I'm not doing this. I'm not done. I'm done. Oh, God. No. I'm done. I can't do this shit. I'm through. Video over. Nope. Video motherfucking over. Fuck that shit. Headphones off. I don't give a fuck. No. I'm through. I'm not about this life, nigga. I got cats. I have cats. I'm not with this bullshit. Nope. All right, well, hey, BHD, we fucks with you, we love you, play more. And you know, usually there be some bullshit in the comment section. Y'all for real tricked me with your genuine care and support for me. You know, I feel hella manipulated right now. Now I feel like lightweight taken advantage of, you know, with the comment system, with all the support y'all gave me and stuff. So that's why I was playing and I was like, yo, I'm doing it for the people. And then the minute, like, it dawned on me what I was playing, I was like, oh, nigga, I done they done flim-flammed me into playing this shit. Fucking, I've been hornswoggled and or hoodwinked. I think that's what the white folks say. But you know what, dude? The homie Randy's coming over tomorrow, and he had, boy, oh boy, does he have a surprise for his punk ass. He's gonna be playing this now. Yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. And as always, your boy Blasphemous HD, and I'm about to this mother.
All right, guys. So that was Blasphemous HD playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2. If you like the video, comment, like, subscribe if you're new. Just what he said. And like I said, I do stream on you now. If you guys are a fan of me on there, you get my notification of when I'm on. And I'm out.